a story about a handsome man named Arif. He is 26 years old and works as a construction worker in Kuala Lumpur. He loves listening to music. At work, Arif is exposed to many machines that produce loud sound. During working, the workers should wear hearing protection device. However, Arif refused to wear it. Later, his friend Rusli came to Arif. Rusli always advised Arif to wear hearing protection device. But Arif is still stubborn. He thinks that there is no need to wear the hearing protection device. Every day after work, he drives home while listening to radio at high volume.
I can fly the sky. Never gonna stay. 내가 지쳐.
At night, Arif likes to watch television loudly. Before go to sleep, he will listen to music with headphones until morning.
You the one being chosen, play the part like Moses, keep it fresh like roses.
Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Coldest with the kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge right.
One day, when he wakes up in the morning, suddenly he heard a ringing sound in his ear. The ringing sound caused him to become stressed. At work, his manager mad at him because he does not listen to instructions properly. Arif becomes stressed because he was scolded by his manager and the ringing sound is disturbing him. Later, his friend Rusli came to Arif and asked,
Hey, what's wrong with you? Are you alright?
Arif tells to Rusli that he could not hear well what the manager had told him, and he complained on the ringing sound that he hears since morning. Rusli suggests Arif to seek audiologist at clinic. At hearing clinic, Arif undergo hearing assessment. He tells audiologist that he loves to hear music, watch television at night, and work at construction site, but he did not wear hearing protection device during work. After done hearing assessment, audiologists tell Arif that his hearing is normal, but the ringing sound that he heard is because of exposure to loud noise. So, the audiologist advised Arif to protect his hearing by first, wear hearing protection device such as earplugs and earmuff when working in an environment that exposed to loud noise. Second, minimize the hours and the volume while listening to music. Third, watch television at low volume. Fourth, avoid staying in noisy places for a long time. And lastly, don't forget to monitor your hearing and always seek audiologist if you have hearing problem. Arif thanks the audiologist and he said he will follow the advices. Since then, Arif regret and start to wear hearing protection device during work. Don't forget to take care of our hearing.